You may be harming your reputation without noticing because small daily habits slowly destroy respect, even if they seem harmless at first. And Stoicism teaches us to look honestly at our own actions instead of blaming others, because respect is lost through repeated choices like gossiping and being unreliable. Gossip may feel like casual talk, but it shows people that you cannot be trusted, that you spread secrets, and that you focus on others' failures. So people quietly begin to question what you might say about them, while being unreliable is even more damaging because when you make promises and do not keep them, your words lose value. And so do, no matter how talented or kind you are, since trust is built through consistency, honesty, and small actions like showing up on time, keeping commitments, and communicating clearly. And Stoic wisdom reminds us that integrity is shown by what we do, not what we say. So if you want to be respected and taken seriously, you must avoid gossip, speak with purpose, keep your word, and live in a way where your actions match your values every single day. If you do not do what you say, people slowly stop trusting you and you begin to lose serious opportunities. Because respect comes from trust, and trust is built by repeating honest actions even in small things. And one small habit that quietly destroys respect is interrupting others. Because when you interrupt, you send a message that your words matter more than theirs, even if you do not mean it that way. And over time, this weakens how people see you. As I learned when I was anxious to speak and prove myself, and someone told me I was always ready to talk, but rarely ready to listen, which showed me that real strength is listening fully before speaking. Because when you listen with patience, people see you as calm, balanced, and trustworthy. And another habit that pushes people away is constant complaining, because while complaining feels like relief at first, it slowly becomes negativity that drains others. And when you complain without taking action, you place yourself in the role of a victim and give away your power. While Stoic wisdom teaches us to act on what we can control and accept what we cannot. Because complaining never changes reality, but your attitude can. And when you replace complaints with action or acceptance, you become lighter and more respected. Since people respect those who bring solutions, calm, and positive energy. So if you want respect, you must stop gossiping, keep your word, listen more than you speak, and reduce complaining, because these habits shape how the world responds to you. And true respect begins when you respect yourself and choose discipline, integrity, and mindful behavior every day.